Feel the tongue out, soft. Let your body singing with the music. 1, 2, 3. Feel the tongue out. Faster, faster. Plie back. And go on, go on. 3 fast attitude step. Happy kick. And kick. 1 more kick. Romantically pull the ball back. From back. Slow. Feel the turn out muscle from your tailbone all the way to your heel. And go 1. With plie. And faster. And 3/4. Ready? Attitude back. Relax your hip, let go. Tongue to front with deep breath. Pull the ball from. Up, round back. And big step back, both arms. Up, round side. Pull the ball. Su front. Good. Inside passing high. Attitude. Make it big. Feel your back muscle tighten up. Release bar hold.